Hi guys, we're in Barcelona at the Mobile World Congress. This is Tablet-News.com and I'm here with the brand new OnePlus Pad tablet. So it also has a keyboard, as you can see for yourself, with a pretty decent trackpad, and of course you can use it to write, but the tablet itself seems more focused on gaming. So let me just pull it out so we can talk about it. It's an 11.6 inch device, which looks like this. It's OnePlus's first tablet, and people were actually worried when it was announced. They were worried that it could end up being just a rebranded Oppo Pad. Well, it's actually not. It's its own device. It's interesting for me to see these curved corners here, and at the same time it's interesting to see that we have the power button on the left side instead of being at the top side. I also spotted some quad speakers, speaker 1, speaker 2, as well as speaker 3 and speaker 4 flanking the USB-C port. If you want specs, the screen here is an 11.6 incher. Not very sure if it's AMOLED or IPS, but what's sure is that it has a 7:5 aspect, which is keen for reading. And at the same time, I should probably also mention that it's good enough for gaming on account of the high refresh rate, 144 Hz, which by the way can be set from here to high or standard. Now, aside from that, it has a 9,430 mAh battery with 1 month of standby and 67-watt charging. There's advanced 5G data sharing, also Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. If you go into the About section, you can learn that it runs on Oxygen OS 13.1, and it also brings a Dimensity 9000 octa-core CPU. This was seen last year on the Oppo Find X5 Pro in a special version with ray tracing. It has 8 gigs of RAM plus an extra 4 gigs, which can be tweaked up to another 8, taken from the storage, which is, by the way, 128 gigabytes. We have a front 8 megapixel camera and a 13 megapixel camera at the backside with a lot of personality, as you can see for yourself. And it even has a flash and 4K video capture. Now, aside from that, let's see what else we have here. So, this seems like a typical OnePlus experience, maybe tweaked a bit by the folks of Oppo. Somebody just connected the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. Okay, and of course you can use this to watch a YouTube clip, for example, as I did earlier. And of course we're going to do some gaming because it has 144 refresh rate and a capable CPU. There's also a dedicated gaming section, the gaming hub, where you can do all of your tweaks, and you can find them here. There's the gaming tools side panel. There are the calls, notifications, blocking them, game filters, do not disturb, and so on and so forth. I mean, it feels like a gaming and media tablet to me, more play than work, but it has a keyboard, so you can work if need be. Okay, so I think we should actually access our website in case you don't know it. So yeah, this is the virtual keyboard, but we also have obviously the physical one, which is decently comfy. Not very sure about the price tag, and not even sure if this device is able to reach Europe anytime soon. It's a shame. Would have used a tablet for gaming in Call of Duty. Would have given us an advantage compared to gaming Call of Duty on our smartphones. It's pretty well built. It's made of metal. Has a pretty nice finish. This is supposed to be some sort of green hue with some concentric rings around the camera area. Okay, so that's about it. I find it comfy. I find it powerful enough for gaming and for the media playback. I will look into the screen if it's AMOLED or IPS. I have a feeling it's IPS, but we have to wait and see. 11.61 inches, and the OnePlus Pad has been just showcased here. Goodbye.